Hello everyone, this is a Sunday brunch. So let's see what special food Anna is preparing today. So let's see. Hello Anna, what are you making today?
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
Last week I made something different. This week we are going to a district called Madurai. From there we are making a curry dosa. Curry dosa, normally people will think curry means it's different. So in South India we call curry as a meat, like a chicken meat, mutton meat and everything. So today I am giving a variation in meats, and one is a chicken meat, chicken curry. So minced chicken, and this is minced veggies. So I'm going to make a minced veggies curry dosa. Also called as a veg curry dosa. Okay, let's see. It's a simple dish, but the deliciousness is extraordinary. Okay, Lipton cooks will say the little story about this.
Okay.
So it is basically from Madurai. So the Madurai, they are famous in parota, koto parota, and bun parota. So mostly they use a non-veg. So by the way, a chef, a small restaurant who had a lot of mutton curry. So the mutton curry got overcooked. So what they did is, so the overcooked mutton curry they just mashed with a ladle. He used the dosa batter and then he just topped with the chicken curry for themselves to eat by themselves.
Okay.
So they topped with the mutton curry and then they just cooked by both sides. Then they started to have that. So they felt that this delicious. So from the day they started to serve to everyone. That's why the curry dosa is famous. I'm cooking this because the curry will get finely cooked. Okay. So this is the final outcome of this.
Thank you so much Shiva to sharing with us something new.
நன்றி உணவை மகிழ்வாய்